Now, in the previous lesson, you have learned about magnets and types of magnets. Now, we are going to learn how to play with magnets. Okay? Class 6th science lesson. Poles of a bar magnet. So, before learning how to play with magnets, let us know about the various poles in a bar magnet. See, this is a bar magnet. Okay? And he is spreading few iron fillings on it. Now, let us see the whole part. Spread some iron fillings uniformly on a sheet of paper. Place a bar magnet below this sheet. You will observe that uniformly spread iron fillings concentrate at 2 points of the paper sheet. At some distance, you will find some scattered iron fillings between these 2 points. The iron fillings moving towards the ends because the magnet at the end attracts more iron fillings than the middle part of the magnet. So we conclude that every bar magnet always has 2 ends whose attracting capacity is more than its other parts. These ends are called poles of the magnet. Now let me show you little clearly. Now see Nana, here more iron fillings are there, see. And here you are finding few scattered iron fillings, see. As is pouring, see, more iron fillings are coming into the 2 red circles. Okay. So the magnet is having lot of power at these 2 poles. At these 2 poles rather than in the middle. Okay. So these 2 are called poles. These 2 red circles are called poles. Okay, Nana? They are called poles of the magnet. Now what are these poles? What can we do with a bar magnet? And how can we find directions with a bar magnet? Now see, finding directions with the bar magnet. See the image, Nana. Now take a stand like this and tie one bar magnet in the middle. Okay. See, this is the bar magnet. With the help of a thread, of course. Wait for some time. You will notice that the magnet will finally take a position in the north-south direction. మనం ఏదైనా ఎలాడదీసాం అనుకోమ్మా ఊగి 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 ఒక చోటకి ఆగిపోయి స్టేషనరీ పొజిషన్లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో అది ఆగిపోయినప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తే బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఎప్పుడు నార్త్ సైడ్ నార్త్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్లోనే ఆగిపోద్ది. అంటే it marks the end that point towards the north with some color. Now see here. ఈ డైరెక్షన్లోనే ఆగుతుంది. ఎప్పుడైనా మీరు ఎన్నిసార్లైనా ఎలాడదీయండి, ఎన్నిసార్లైనా you suspend the bar magnet freely with the help of a thread and tie it around. It will take the position of north and south direction only. It won't take any other direction because magnet always comes to rest in north-south direction only. North-south direction only. In each case, the marked end points towards north. This end is known as the north pole of the magnet. The marked end, this end. This is towards north. So that is called north pole of the magnet. The other end means the other end is south pole of the magnet. So bar magnet is having only 2 poles, that is north pole and south pole. This property of magnet is called directional property. This property of magnet is called directional property. Whenever you suspend a bar magnet using the help of a thread at a height, the bar magnet will stop only in the north-south direction. The north pole towards the north side, the south pole towards the south side. This is called directional property of a magnet. Magnetic compass. This is a magnetic compass. See? Okay. A compass is usually a small box with a glass covering in it. A magnetic needle is pivoted inside the box in such a way that it can rotate freely. The compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the direction. Its needle indicates only north and south direction when it comes to rest. అంటే ఈ బాక్స్ మీరు ఎక్కడికైనా తీసుకెళ్ళండి, ఏ డైరెక్షన్ అన్నా పెట్టండి, మీకు నార్త్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షనే చూపిస్తుంది. వెస్ట్ ఈస్ట్ మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకొని తెలుసుకోవాలి. అంతేగాని ఇట్ వోంట్ షో దట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈస్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వెస్ట్. ఇట్ విల్ షో ఓన్లీ ద నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్. The compass is then rotated until the north and south marked on the dial are exactly below the ends of the two needles. అంటే ఆ నార్త్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్లో మనం రొటేట్ చేస్తూ కరెక్ట్గా నార్త్ సైడ్ ఎటు వస్తుందో అక్కడ నీడిల్ ఆగిపోతుంది. ఆగిపోయే వరకు మనం దాన్ని మూవ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. అండ్ మోస్ట్లీ టు ఐడెంటిఫై ద నార్త్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ నీడిల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజువల్లీ పెయింటెడ్ ఇన్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ దాన్ విత్ ద సౌత్ పోల్. అంటే నార్త్ పోల్, సీ ఇన్ దిస్ ఇమేజ్ ఆల్సో, నార్త్ పోల్ వైపు చూపించే నీడిల్ ఏమో రెడ్ కలర్లో ఉంది, సౌత్ పోల్ వైపు చూపించే నీడిల్ ఏమో గ్రే కలర్లో ఉంది. ఓకే, now what are the uses of this compass? Mostly it is used to find directions, as I told you, and it is mostly used in ships and airplanes. Mountaineers, those who are climbing mountains, they take so that they don't get lost in the directions. See, even in social you have read maps, we use directions, north pole, south pole, east and west. So this compass helps them to identify which side is the north pole, and according to the map they will see to which direction they have to go and they will move on. Okay, so magnetic compass is a small needle in a box, glass box, which is pivoted in such a way that wherever it goes, comes to rest in the north south direction. Whichever way you move, it will rest only in the north south direction. The needle will stop moving. Okay, next, attraction and repulsion between two magnets. Now take two magnets, Nana. Take two similar magnets. Okay, and keep them in the images I have shown. See, two north poles, if you keep two north, they won't get attracted. Two south poles, if you keep opposite each other, they won't get attracted. But south pole and north pole, they will get attracted, and north and south pole will get attracted. So opposite poles attract each other, and same poles, unlike poles, attract each other, and like poles repel each other. See, here you see south poles, north pole, they are not attracting, they are repelling. See, and here north pole and south pole are getting attracted. Okay, so this is attraction and repulsion between two magnets. You can try it in the house. You can take two magnets, two poles, two magnets, when they are getting attracted opposite direction, they are opposite poles. Okay, and when you again turn them opposite and you keep, they won't get attracted, they'll repel. That means they are same poles. Means two south will not attract, two north will not attract. North and south or south and north will get attract to each other. Like this you can identify the poles on your magnet. Okay, next, earth as a magnet. See, again take one long strand and suspend one magnet, but below that again you keep another bar magnet. But see, this is south and this is north. Here opposite you are keeping, this is south, this is north. Okay, place a bar magnet on a table in any direction you want. Okay, suspend another bar magnet. The suspended bar magnet should be fairly close to the one kept on the table. Means they should be very close, Nana. They should not be too far, only maximum this much distance. Okay, ante your little fingers distance, that much. Okay, and then observe in which direction the suspended magnet comes to rest. Means this magnet. Okay, now change the direction of the bar magnet on the table. Now you move the direction of this bar magnet. Okay, the suspended bar magnet comes to rest in the direction of the bar magnet placed on the table. అంటే ఇది ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇట్లా మూవ్ అయింది అనుకో నాన్న, మీరు ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో పెట్టారనుకో, ఇది కూడా అలాగే వెళ్ళి ఆగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇది కూడా అలాగే వెళ్ళి ఆగుతుంది. అదే దీన్ని మీరు ఇటు పెట్టారనుకోమ్మా, ఇది కూడా ఇటు వచ్చి ఆగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఈ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ఇటువైపు ఉంటే అటే వెళ్తుంది. బట్ ద నార్త్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద సస్పెండెడ్ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ పాయింట్స్ టువర్డ్స్ ద సౌత్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్. అంటే ఈ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ నార్త్ పోల్ టేబుల్ మీద పెట్టిన సౌత్ పోల్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాగ్నెట్ కే అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అంటే ఇది నార్త్ వైపు ఉందనుకోమ్మా, ఇది సౌత్ అని మనకు అర్థం అవ్వాలి. ఈ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ ది సౌత్ పోల్ అని, ఇది సౌత్ పోల్ అనుకోమ్మా, ఇది నార్త్ పోల్ అని మనకు అర్థం అవ్వాలి. Placed on the table and south pole of the suspended bar magnets towards the north pole of the bar magnet placed on the table. So opposite poles లోనే కనపడతాయి మనకి. If you remove the bar magnet on the table, the suspended magnet comes to rest in the north-south direction. I told you before also. If you remove this bar magnet, again this will come back to its position, that is north-south direction. Okay. Now we can say that there is some magnet below the suspended bar magnet. There is some magnet below the suspended bar magnet, and this is the earth possesses the magnetic property which acts upon the suspended bar magnet. అంటే earth కి magnetic force ఉంది, దానివల్లే ఈ బార్ మ్యాగ్నెట్ వచ్చి ఒక స్టేషనరీ పొజిషన్ లోకి హాల్ట్ అవుతుంది. నార్త్ సౌత్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఇది ఆగుతుంది, అంటే ఎర్త్ ఆపుతుంది దాన్ని. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ప్రూవ్స్ దట్ ఎర్త్ ఈస్ ఏ మ్యాగ్నెట్. Make your own magnet. Have to make your own magnet. Take a needle or nail, okay, and take a bar magnet on it as shown in this figure, and place one of its pole, means north, the magnet, without lifting the bar magnet. Rotate it, rub it along in this direction. Again lift it and rotate. అంటే ఒకే డైరెక్షన్ లో దాన్ని రొటేట్ చేయాలి మీరు, అంతేగాని మీరు ఒకసారి ఇటు రొటేట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఇటు రొటేట్ చేయకూడదు. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ రొటేట్ దిస్ వే, దిస్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఓకే, యూ మస్ట్ ఆల్వేస్ రొటేట్ ఇన్ దిస్ డైరెక్షన్ and keep on rubbing it for some time in this direction. Okay, so till you reach the other end. Like that you rub at least some 20 times, 20 to 30 times, and after that you remove the magnet and place some iron fillings near this needle. Place some iron fillings near this needle. Then obviously the iron fillings will get attracted. So like this you can make your own magnets. Like this you can make your own magnets. చెప్తున్నాను కదా, ఒక డైరెక్షన్ లోనే 20 to 30 times repeated గా రబ్ చేయాలి magnet ని. You should rub the magnet repeatedly for 20 to 30 times on this nail or on the needle. And when you continuously rub this magnet in same direction, few magnetic properties of this magnet will get into the needle and they will start to attract the iron fillings, get attracted by the needle. Now, how can you make your own magnetic compass? See this image, Nana? Take one dish of water like this. Take one dish of water like this, and take the needle to a light cork. Cork అంటే చిన్న వుడెన్ వి మనకి దొరుకుతాయేమో కొన్ని బాటిల్స్ మీద, క్యాప్స్ లాగా వాడతారు వాటిని. Take that cork, okay, and keep a needle, magnetized needle. Which needle? Magnetized needle. And float the cork in a dish of water. But in this water you put little detergent, little surf. Okay, that will help the cork to float. Okay, and you will find that this needle will show you the north south direction in the dish. It will show you the north south direction in the dish. See, magnetic induction. Bring the safety pin close to one pole of a bar magnet. See how it gets attached to the magnet. This is a bar magnet. Now bring in safety pin, got attached. Now you take a awl pin, that is paper pin, that will also get attached. And this magnetic property of the bar magnet has gone into the safety pin, and from the safety pin now became a second magnet and it attracted this awl pin. Okay, Now under this again, if you keep another all pin also, it will get attracted. Okay. This is called magnetic property possessed by a magnetic suspense due to the presence of a magnet near it is called magnetic induction. What is magnetic induction? Magnetic property possessed by a magnetic substance due to the presence of a magnet near it is called magnetic induction. అంటే ఒక magnet దగ్గర వేరే వస్తువు అట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఆ మ్యాగ్నెట్ నుంచి వచ్చే మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఈ వస్తువుకు కూడా కొంచెం సంక్రమిస్తాయి అన్నమాట. Once this gets that magnetic property, this will start attracting. Then again this one again will have those magnetic properties, and this again will attract another alpine. Again if you want, the other one also will attract another one. So this is called magnetic induction. This process is called magnetic induction. Okay, Nana? So I hope you have understood about the magnets and their properties. Okay. Now in the next, you have found out whether you have learned about the various magnetic properties, Nana. You have learned about North Pole, South Pole. You have learned about magnetic induction. You have learned how to create your own magnet. You have learned how to create your own magnetic compass. Okay. So this was your second lesson in science of 6th class. Hope you all have understood. You have any doubts, you can call up to Anita Miss. Anita Miss will clarify your doubts. Okay. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, listen to your parents. Be good children. Okay, Nana? Bye. Thank you.